Hello friends, I am Aditya and you are watching German class. In today's video, I have one more text for you. So in this text, we learn new vocabulary and new structures. This text is about politics, about political parties in Germany. Recently there was election in Germany and new German chancellor was elected. It happened last year. So we'll see this text and learn new vocabulary. So the text is about Politik. How do we say? Der Text geht es die Politik. This is a structure geht es or es geht die. So es geht, or you can say der Text geht es die Politik. Es geht die Politik means it is about politics. Der neue Bundeskanzler Olaf Scholz hatte ein Lächeln auf dem Gesicht. Means on the face, smile on the face. The new German Chancellor, Bundeskanzler means German Chancellor. It's a male this time. Earlier there was female, Angela Merkel. Now this is a male, so Bundeskanzler Olaf Scholz. This is the name. Olaf Scholz had a smile on the face. Hatte ein Lächeln auf dem Gesicht. Look at the structure. If you say, okay, there is a smile on his face, on the face. Hat Lächeln auf dem Gesicht. So same German Chancellor has smile on the face. Hatte Lächeln auf dem Gesicht. Very good structures. Please note down this. These structures you will find very rare in the book. It's a news article. I have taken this text from an article. So please note down this structure. Further, am 8. Dezember 2021 wählte ihn der Deutsche Bundestag zum Chef der neuen Bundesregierung. Neuen Bundesregierung means government, German government. Okay, so he is the chef, he is the boss. Chef means boss, head of the country. In Germany there is a chancellor, like we have in India president, prime minister. So in Germany, head of the state, head of the country is chancellor. So he is the new chancellor in Germany, Olaf Scholz, and on 8th December 2021 selected him the German Bundestag, German Parliament, Bundestag selected him, chosen him as a chef of new government, new federal government, Bundesregierung, federal government. Alright, so Deutsche Bundestag. Chef means, chef means here boss, head. Chef is a very common word, we use it like in a company there is a chef. You say boss, your boss in the company, and maybe my boss in the company, or somebody else says. So chef means head, a leader. So in country it is okay, the boss. So in Germany, chancellor is the head of the country. So Deutsche Bundestag, federal German parliament. German parliament has selected him, has chosen him as the chef of Bundesregierung, as the federal government. He is the boss, he is the chancellor of Germany now. And the name is Olaf Scholz. Heißt Olaf Scholz, ist der Chef der neuen Bundesregierung. This is genitive, boss of der. D change into der. So it means of. He is the boss, he is the head of the new German government. This is genitive, D change into der, so it is en ending. We'll see grammar also. In genitive case, adjective ending is en. So der neuen Bundesregierung. Neu ist der gleichen Anteil von Frauen im neuen Kabinett. It's a new cabinet, and in this cabinet there is a similar share of the women, like male and female, similar, equal number. So der gleichen Anteil. Anteil means share. Share in the cabinet, male and female are same. So this is something new. Neu, this is new. Look at the structure. Neu ist, new is the similar share of Frauen im neuen Kabinett. Okay, the gleichen Anteil. The same share of women in the new cabinet. This is something new in Germany, in German government. Okay, the gleichen Anteil von Frauen. The same share of the women in parliament. So this is something new. Das ist neu im Kabinett. Cabinet. Ministers, Cabinet. Die Regierung besteht aus einer Ampelkoalition. There is a coalition of different parties. There are so many political parties in Germany, so it's a coalition, Ampelkoalition, very huge coalition. Okay, Ampelkoalition, very huge coalition. Die Regierung besteht aus. Besteht means consist of. The government consists of huge coalition. There is a coalition government, not a single party. It's not a single party. It's a coalition. So besteht plus aus. It means consist of. Consist of. So the Regierung means government. Regierung means government. So the government consists of a Ampelkoalition, huge, big coalition government. Okay, there are so many parties, and in this time in the government, Ampelkoalition. So look at the difficult word. This is adjective ending. I say 3-word formula. Der neue Bundeskanzler. E ending. Definite article, nominative case, E ending. And this is the preteritum form hatte. Had. The new chancellor had a smile on the face. And this is the way we write the date. I am telling each and every grammar structure. It's helpful not only for the beginners but also for the advanced learners. That's why this video is very, very special for all the learners. Whether you are a beginner or you are an advanced learner, watch till the end. And I have made so many videos in the past few days. Go and watch. Link will be in the description. So, am 8. Dezember. Am 8. Dezember. It's like we say on 8th December, 8th, 7th, 6th. So, we write dot. Am 8. Dezember 2021. 8th December 2021. Last year. Okay, wählte, wählen. This is the verb, it's past tense. And the verb is wählen, to choose, select. So, wählte, preteritum form. Selected him. Ihn means him. It's accusative form of er. The German Parliament. Bundestag, Parliament. German Federal Parliament. Selected him. Zum Chef, for the head of the new German government. Bundesregierung. D. Article is D and D changing to der because of genitive. Boss. Head of the new German government. Bundesregierung. Regierung I have already mentioned, government. D. Regierung, government. And now neu ist der gleichen Anteil. Neu. New is the similar share of women. Frauen. Von Frauen. Von is a dative preposition. It is dative. Okay, so Frauen im neuen Kabinett, in the new cabinet. In the Regierung besteht aus einer Ampelkoalition. And the government consists of bestehen plus aus. Bestehen plus aus. Consist of Ampelkoalition. So that's all in this video. That's all in this class. I hope you find it interesting. Please write your comment and feedback below in the comment section. That's very, very important for me. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.